The Monsoon Region. This is the highest and well-studied region, the monsoon in the Indian and the subcontinent geography. Monsoon refers to tropical and subtropical seasonal reversal in the both surface winds and associated precipitation caused by different heat and land mass and adjacent ocean. Now let's have a look over the regions on the earth where monsoon occurs. Mostly we witness the monsoon on the subcontinent, as I told you. Monsoon mainly occur in the regions of South Asia. The other regions include parts of Equatorial Africa, East and Southeast Asia, Northern Australia, and to a lesser extent in the southwestern United States. But most part occurs on Indian subcontinent. These are the regions. Now let's take a look on monsoon details. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, where the northeast trade winds and southeast trade winds converge in a low pressure zone, moving towards the subcontinent during the month of July. These winds crossing the equator, forming the southwest monsoons. These pick up the moisture while traveling from sea to land and cause orographic rain. The monsoonal winds, after reaching the Indian peninsula, split into two branches, the Arabian branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch causes rain all along the western coast. The Bay of Bengal branch strikes at the West Bengal coast and the southern slopes of Shillong Plateau. It merged with the Arabian branch over the Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. The southwest monsoon sets in over the Kerala coast by 1st June and moves swiftly to cover the entire subcontinent by 15 July. The weather conditions all over the country change with the onset of monsoon winds. The season will be characterized by high heat, high humidity, extensive clouding, and several spells of moderate to heavy rains with strong surface winds. July onwards, these waves gradually start moving to the south of equator. Now we see a total reversal. The continent cools rapidly, forming a large area of high pressure over North Central Asia, known as the Siberian High, and a smaller area over India. Now we are having dry monsoon season and the colder air. The monsoon starts retreating from the northwest India by September and withdraws completely from the region, except the southern peninsula by mid-October. The retreating monsoon picks up moisture from the Bay of Bengal and establishes over the Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu coast, which remains by during the southwest monsoon period, receives its rainfall from the northeast monsoon in the month of December. During the winters, a jet stream known as subtropical westerly jet stream blows in an eastward direction. This stream causes winter rains over the northern India.
It is perhaps India's most precious commodity. It inspires legends and poetry, dance and song. Water. It is a powerful symbol of life in South Asia, and for good reason. In a land that relies heavily on agriculture, the chronic lack of rain is a constant hardship. Water is only used for the absolute essentials, but even then it is hard to come by. In Rajasthan, these women walk 3 miles to bring water to their village. By May, the wells are almost dry. India anxiously awaits the summer monsoon, with its 3 months of life-giving rain. Only a good and timely monsoon can ward off the specters of drought and famine. While meteorologists try to predict its exact arrival, the rest of India makes last-minute preparations. Along the coast, fishermen make their final trips before being ordered ashore for the season. In the villages, umbrella menders ply their trade. In Calcutta, workers ready ancient sewers for the deluge. And a deluge it is. It will rain on and off, but mostly on, for 90 days. During that time, South Asia will receive nearly 80% of its annual precipitation. In the countryside, farmers plant rice in the wet fields. In the villages, life goes on, with umbrellas. Even city dwellers welcome the rain and shrug off the inconvenience. Year. Yet the monsoon has a darker side as well. The rain streaming down the mountains often contributes to landslides and swollen rivers. In the delta regions of northern India and Bangladesh, where the rivers meet the rising sea, there is widespread flooding. This threat of destruction does not keep South Asia from welcoming the monsoon. For the people, the rains provide not just an end to parched earth and dry wells, but also a tonic for the soul.